If you are experiencing a verification pending status on your Simmons bank account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Review your email inbox for any messages from Simmons Bank. They may have sent you a verification email that requires your attention to complete the process. Step 2. Log into your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and account and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your information. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or verification section. Ensure that all your personal information, such as your address and phone number, is accurate and up to date. Step 4. Resend verification requests. If you find that your information is correct but still pending, look for an option to resend the verification request. This can often be found in the account settings or help section. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after resending the verification request, reach out to Simmons Bank's customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on your Simmons Bank account efficiently. If problems continue, keep in touch with customer support for ongoing help.